How's it going? Mark Mulvaney here. Started doing Skype sessions with AM Studios 4.5 years ago. When I first started, I hadn't a clue. Allan was very good with his time and his patience. Showed me basically how to make a track from start to finish. Progressed in helping me to understand the different sounds and how they fit. I also buy all the tutorials that come out. I constantly find myself referencing them back. Even when I'm stuck in something in a track, I'll maybe pick up one of the tutorials where I'm stuck, go through it and see what's needed. The tutorial I find most helpful for myself is the mixdown one. Every time I'm doing a mixdown in a track, I'll go through that just to have a quick look and see is there anything I'm missing out. As I said, when I started I hadn't a clue, and this year I got 2 tracks signed to Clandestine. So I'm very grateful for Allan, all his help and all his patience down through the years. So if you're thinking about getting tutorials or doing some sessions with Allan, I'd highly recommend them.